Hey guys, how's it going? How to get activation code in Aviator Predictor app. So first of all, open up the Aviator Predictor app on your iPhone. All right, navigate to the activation section. Look for an option like activate or enter activation code within the app's menu or settings, and then request an activation code. Right here, let me just type Aviator Predictor. Right, basically you can request activation code, and then you can check your email or SMS. This activation code will typically be sent to your email or phone number that you provided. Then check your email or SMS for message from the app containing the activation code, and then enter the activation code. So if you encounter any issue or do not receive the code, consider contacting the app's customer support for further assistance. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.